about the insurance business, the intrinsic value. I would say this. We have, I'm not going to give you a precise answer, but I will tell you this. We have $7 billion presently afloat. That's the money we're holding that belongs to someone else, but that we have the use of. Now, if I were asked, would I trade that for $7 billion and not have to pay tax on the gain that would result if I did that, but I would then have to stay out of the insurance business forever, total forever non-compete clause of any kind in insurance, would I accept that? And the answer is no. Now, that is not because I would rather have $7 billion afloat than $7 billion of net proceeds of free money. It's because I expect the $7 billion to grow. And if I'd made that trade that I'm just suggesting now, if I'd made that 27 years ago and said, will you take $17 million for the float you have, no tax to be paid, the float for which you just paid $8.7 million when we bought the companies, and gotten out of the insurance business, I might have said yes in those days. But it
you would have.
Yeah. Yeah.
No,
yeah.
He keeps learning. That's one of his tricks.
Oh, no. Yeah. That's probably true in this case. I'm not sure about other cases, but it would have been a terrible mistake. It would have been a mistake to do it 10 or 12 years ago with $300 million. It is not worth $7 billion to us to forego being in the insurance business for forever at Berkshire Hathaway, even though it would all be, if it were non-taxed profit, so we got the full $7 billion, pure addition to equity, we would not take it, and we wouldn't even think about it very long. So, as Charlie says, that is not the answer that we would have given some time back, but it's a very valuable business. It has to be run right. I mean, GEICO has to be run right. Reinsurance business has to be run right. National Indemnity, Home State Company, they all have to be run right. And it's not automatic. But they have the people, the distribution structure, the reputation, the capital strength, the competitive advantages. They have those in place. And if nurtured, they can become more valuable as time goes by.